So, we need a handle for the branding iron. Alright guys, so I've got an old piece here. I tried to make a rolling pin out of it a while ago. It's a bit of jarrah, we've got a bit of blue resin in the middle, but it didn't quite work. There were a few bubbles in that in the resin, so I had to go a bit too shallow, and now it's a bit thin to make a rolling pin. So what I'm going to do, I've got my branding iron here that I need a handle for. So we're going to make a handle out of this one here, I reckon. What I completely forgot about was I snapped the drill bit off in here. You can just see it. I made this blank like probably 8 months ago. Yeah, that's going to pose a bit of a problem. I'll have to dig that out somehow. Time for an experiment. Now we'll finish it off with some shallow wax. Alright guys, there you have it. The first official project completed in the new workshop. A handle for the branding iron. I think it turned out quite well. The burning on the jarrah came up awesome, and that shallow wax is amazing. If you turn, I'd highly recommend getting your hands on it. Got a bit of the resin at the top, which turned out great. I didn't put any finish on the bottom purely for the fact that I've got to heat the branding iron up with the gas torch. So that's all going to get burnt anyway. And I'm hoping it'll end up with a Shinshikiban effect on the bottom, which will seal up the wood anyway. Didn't actually go to plan. Here's the bit that snapped off. You saw in the video, there was the resin didn't cure properly, so there was a pretty big crack in it. I could feel on the lathe that it was getting a bit fragile the thinner we got. I'll use that for something else down the line. For now, it'll just go in the scrap pile. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for our weekly videos moving forward. Thanks guys.